Wel, y tymor diwetha, oedd o just yn one-off I ni gyd, a neb yn, wel, pawb di dweud ni'n mynd lawr, ond I fod yn y 6 uchaf I ddechrau, oedd hwnna'n sioc yn Ionawr, a wedyn diwedd y tymor I curo Caerdydd yma, a wedyn mynd I Ewrop. Wel, oedd just yn hyfryd I pawb. Wel, ddaru fi sgorio'r un yn erbyn Caerdydd, a gol fawr oedd I ni fel clwb a I fi yn personol. A sgorio yn Ewrop. Lot o chwaraewyr sy'n chwarae yn full time ddim gallu deud, maen nhw wedi sgorio yn Ewrop, so mi oedd o'n arbennig I fi a I pawb yn sgorio'r gol gyntaf I Cefn Druids yn Ewrop. Amber. Mae pawb yn dod yma rwan a meddwl, actually, mae Cefn Druids yn tîm dde a fydd rhaid I tîmau rhoi fwy o parch I ni, ond gobeithio dyn ni gallu gwneud o eto a mynd am y 6 uchaf eto.
Dyn ni'n gwybod beth dyn ni, a lle dyn ni wedi dod o, mae hwnna'n bwysig. Ond dyn ni eisiau trio tyfu ac trio cael hwn eto. Fel chi dweud, ar ei pawb, just bildio arno fo, ar ei pawb, fall in love efo Cefn Druids blwyddyn diwetha, y stori o'r tîm bach, ond dwi'n meddwl bydd hwnna y ffordd blwyddyn yma, bydd mwy o bobl a rhoi dwi'n bach mwy o parch i'r ni, ac gen I weld, I fyny ni rwan trio tîmau eraill yma allan. Gen I weld rwan, dwi eisiau gorffen yn y 6 uchaf, ond peth cyntaf wedi aros yn y gynnoedd yma.
Me as a player, I like to get the ball to my feet, I like to drive with it, I like to slip people in, link up with players, so hopefully I'll bring just goals and assists to the team. And I was at Bala last year and I was really impressed with the setup at Druids, because obviously this is my local team, so I came to watch them now and again, and throughout the season, to be fair, I thought at the end of the year I thought they got what they deserved. I came to watch the playoff final here and I thought they were excellent. I thought they never looked like losing the game. So yeah, they were really good and I thought they thoroughly deserved to be where they were. I just feel like we've got a really good squad. Everyone knows what they need to do when they go out on the pitch. I think we get filled with information that's really good to carry out onto the pitch. No one's unaware of what they need to do. I think the biggest thing is everyone plays for each other. We're a really good side, tight knit, and I'm looking forward to what we can achieve this year. I think it'll be a good one.